What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Welcome to my first recap of the day. I'm gonna be trying to do these as often as I can, aiming for every night. Just going over whatever we traded throughout the day. Today I didn't trade that much. I only traded SPY and Tesla. So let's go over SPY first. Okay. So right off the bat, we can see pre-market, there's a gap right here, which not all the time, but like this gap right here hasn't gotten filled yet. But most of the time, gaps do tend to get filled. Like this is a nice gap right here, and it got filled literally right at market open. So right away, let me just mark right here. This is liquidity right here, and we can see. Let's see. Where is we can see what we call, ooh, that's terrible. Hold on. Let's see. What we call BOS, break of structure. Hold on a second. Let me just, how do I delete this? Okay, I got it. Break of structure right here. BOS. And so basically what happened, as you can see, as you can see right here, let's see, we came down we were bearish at open for like the first 30 minutes, and then right here we have the little long candle with a small head at the top. I don't know if you guys can see this little candle right here. Whenever a candle is like that, it's usually like kind of like a cross, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. It's usually a sign that is gonna switch to the upside, or just, oh, here's another example of it switching to the downside. Here's another long candle with a short head, but this time it's bullish. So you see the same candles right here, flips to the other side. Here's another example. Every time you see a candle like that, just look out for that. It doesn't mean to hop into the trade right away, but right here we have another break of structure, break of structure right here. I'm just gonna mark all the break of structures. Break of structure right here, break of structure right here. Okay, I'm gonna mark some supply and demand zones. This right here, strong supply zone. Calls were in favor right here in the morning. So this is where we got calls right here. I believe it was around 7 o'clock. So this is the candle I was looking for. I was already seeing a change of price, a change of character right here, which is changing, to the upside. So we caught this little bearish run right here. I don't always recommend trading against the trend, because it's very risky. Yes, you can catch pullbacks, but it's a lot more riskier. Like, see, here's a pullback, but if you change the time frame to, let's go 4 hours out on SPY, for the past month we've been pretty much bearish. Still in a downtrend with we have a higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low right here. So it's gonna tend to continue that until, I believe I saw another gap over here. I think it was at the 5-minute time frame. No, 15-minute time frame. I'm pretty sure I saw another big gap that's gonna get filled. Here's another gap that hasn't gotten filled. Like I said, not all gaps get filled like that same day. Sometimes it could take months, or the next day. You never know where the market's gonna go. So you just kind of have to go along with whatever the market gives you, and just adapt to whatever the market's doing at the moment. Because you could make educated guesses, but also you have to change between time frames. If you're looking at place a trade, you don't want to go against the trend. Like I just said, you want to go change between the if you're day trader, you want to go between 1 minute. I usually go 1 minute just to look for a perfect entry. And well, really there is no perfect entry, but I like to, you know, get the best entry as I can. And 3 minutes I just use for scalping, 5 minutes for scalping. Also, I think 5 and 15 minutes you can find the best quality trades. And I'm really big on quality trades because, you know, that's in the end that's what really helps grow your account. Finding quality trades, being patient, managing your risk, and so on. So back to SPY. Right here we have a lot of consolidation, a lot of side movement, very strong demand zone right here. And you can see after a couple hours after 3 hours, it breaks through that demand zone and it wants to retest back at the demand zone, which it did right here. It retested right back. Beautiful retest right here. And I'm guessing it's going for puts tomorrow, but right here, this was a perfect entrance right here. Right here, here's another retest. You could have waited for price to come retest right here at the supply level and bought puts right here. You could have rode all this down here. I missed that one because I was pretty busy today, but good opportunity right there. Okay. So far tomorrow, I think it looks like we're gonna be, I don't know, we might be bullish, but we'll see tomorrow in the morning pre-market. All right, now let's look over Tesla, excuse me. So right off the bat again, you can see another gap. Let me get rid of this stuff. Garbage. Let's see. Look at that gap, overnight gap, and it got filled. Look at this. I played puts. We played puts in the morning. I put up a play pretty much right at market open. I put the play at market open, and we wrote all of this. I don't remember the percentage profit that I got on this one. I think it was like 70% profit. Really good play on this one. We filled up the gap nicely, literally at market open. See, this is what I was talking about. It won't always be filled at the same day, but in this case it was. And it bounced back too. So you could have played puts and calls right here and come right back up to the support level. So let's see. This right here, this is all support. The demand will be up here, but I mean, this is the demand. I'm sorry. You can see we broke the demand level. We came back up to retest, and we came back down again. So you really could have played put twice today, but you really don't need it. That would be considered over trading, in my opinion. You don't need to do that many trades because, you know, some people might get greedy, and it's not good to be greedy. When you want more, you know, you get more, but it won't always last, and it won't always be in your favor too. So it's best to play it safe. You know, you make a trade, you win one, you make 2 trades, you win one, you lose the other, and just leave it as it is. You know, just walk off, come back the next day. You know, new day, new opportunities. But you can see break of structure right here. Let's see. I'm trying to I don't know. I wish I could do this live so I could answer some questions, because I feel like some of you guys might be confused. I don't know if the way I explain things is understandable. So if I could get some feedback in these videos, you know, I would greatly appreciate that. Also about indicators, all I really use is RSI and volume. I don't really use any other indicators. You know, I don't really trust all the indicators. I like to put both the indicators together. So you guys have to be able to know how to use the indicators. You can't just, you know, just because it tells you buy or sold or anything, actually do it, right? You have to wait for your own confirmation and, you know, play your plan, follow your plan, and everything should fall into place for you. So right here, we have some strong demand right here. Strong demand. Let's see, we go to 5 minute. This is strong demand right here. We can see is having a hard time to break through this, but you know, in the morning you could bounce off of here and it could do something like this. It could do something like this. Bounce back off like that. Maybe go above the supply zone, come back down, retest, and bounce up like this. Or it could break through the zone. It could break through this demand zone right here. You know, go up right here like this. Maybe retest again and then back down for puts. We don't know. We'll see tomorrow what market opens, but those are my guesses for today. I think that's it for today's recap. Short day. Didn't really trade much today, but overall, market's still bearish. So, like I said, it's not really good to trade against the trend because, you know, if it's going down, why are you gonna trade for it to go up? Yes, you could catch pullbacks. Like I said, it's just harder to catch pullbacks like these. So we played puts in the morning. I say literally at open. Caught this candle. We got up. I held because I was risking. I took my chances. So I did buy a little early. So I should have waited. Actually, I should have waited now thinking about it. You see all this consolidation right here? I should have waited for the candle to break this level. There's a lot of traders that when they wake up, they wait 30 minutes after market opens, you know, and they trade based off of that. That's actually a good strategy as well. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a good night. Let me know what you think about this market recap. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys were able to learn something off of this. And, yeah, let me know how I did. Thank you.